Betterment bank linking is a process that allows you to connect your bank account to the Betterment investment platform, enabling seamless transfers and investment of your funds. To start, navigate to the Betterment website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by providing the required information. Once logged in, click on the Account Settings option and select the link to add a new bank account. You will be prompted to choose your bank from a list of available institutions or search for your bank if it is not listed. If your bank is not supported, you may need to manually enter your account and routing numbers. After selecting your bank, you will be redirected to the bank's website to authenticate your account information. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring the security of your transactions. Enter your bank login credentials and authorize Betterment to access your account information. Upon successful authentication, you will be redirected back to the Betterment website, where you can select the account you want to link. Choose the account type, such as checking or savings, and confirm the account details. Review the terms and conditions. Then click to confirm the linking process. It may take a few days for the linking process to be completed, during which time Betterment will make 2 small deposits into your bank account. You will need to verify these deposits by logging in to your Betterment account and entering the deposit amounts. This step is necessary to confirm that you are the owner of the bank account and to ensure the security of your transactions. After verifying the deposits, your bank account will be successfully linked to Betterment, and you can start transferring funds and investing in various portfolios. To maintain the security of your account, make sure to monitor your transactions regularly and report any suspicious activity to Betterment support. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Betterment and start investing in a diversified portfolio. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account information and to review the terms and conditions of any investment platform before linking your bank account.